Today, the eternal now, we perfect our good. The eternal God is thy refuge, and underneath are the everlasting arms. Deuteronomy 33:27. Today we say to ourselves, our experience is enriched by perfect faith. Our affairs are in the keeping of eternal mind. We live in the divine presence. We are guided by infinite wisdom and sustained by limitless love. Today we say to ourselves, we are part of eternal wholeness. We live, move, and have our being in this Spirit of God. We are consciously drawing upon this Spirit for inspiration. We are continuously receiving guidance from on high. Today, we remember that the Spirit is not far off, but ever at hand, diffused through us. Today, we remember that love is the great lodestone of life, that joy belongs to the Spirit, that the life more abundant is at hand. Today, we carefully watch all our thinking, being certain that it sees in everyone it meets a reflection of the divine image, a copy of the divine pattern, a manifestation of the life of the Spirit. Whatsoever things are good, lovely, and true, these things I think upon, these thoughts I entertain in my mind. Deep within me, there is a feeling nature that reaches up and out and grasps the full significance of the consciousness of good for myself and others.